Hello student, in this video we continue with product-product relationship, and in this we see the next point about determination of optimum combinations of two products. So in this product-product relationship we determine optimum product combination with the help of three methods. So in that, first one is algebraic method. Okay. So there are three steps in determination of optimum product combination through algebraic method. First one, calculate MRS or MRPS, marginal rate of product substitution. So what is the formula? Number of units of replaced product with divided by number of units of added product. So if you take MRS of Y1 and Y2, then change in Y2 upon change in Y1. So change in Y2 means, here don't consider question mark, but consider small triangle. Okay, change in Y2 upon change in Y1. Okay, now work out price ratio. So what is price ratio? Formula of price ratio: price per unit of added product divided by price per unit of replaced product. So PY1, okay, if you have to estimate price ratio of Y1 and Y2, what is the formula? Price of Y1, okay, output divided by price of Y2. Okay, so this is the formula for estimation of second step, price ratio. Now in third step, calculate optimum combination of enterprise at where MRS is equal to price ratio. Okay, so what is MRS? Change in Y2 upon change in Y1 is exactly equal to PY1 upon PY2. Okay, so this is the point you obtain with the different combinations through algebraic method. For profit maximization, a rational producer should operate in the range where two products are competitive, and within the range, the choice of product should depend upon the MRS and price ratio. Okay. Now, the next point, graphical method. In graphical method, you determine optimum combination of product with the help of production possibility curve. See in this diagram, production possibility curve is also draw, and one line is draw on that curve. That line is called as price line or ISO revenue line. Okay, by taking the price of Y2 on OY axis and price of Y1 on OX axis, you draw price line. Okay, so this is the graphical method, and another concept is also important in graphical method that we continue on next slide. Before that, we see tabular method. So in tabular method, one example is given, and this method is useful only when we have few combinations. For few combinations only you can use tabular method, but if the combinations are more than few or more than 5 to 10 or maximum combinations is more combinations is given in example, then you go for which method? Algebraic method. Okay, so here Y1 quantities is given and Y2 quantity is given. Now here price of Y1 is given, price of Y1 output is 50 rupees and price of Y2 output is 80. So price of Y1 output is rupees 50. You multiply column of Y1 by rupees 50, then you get revenue obtained through Y1, price of Y1. Okay, and revenue obtained from price of Y2 is given in next column, 160 to 40. Okay, now what is total revenue? Go on adding both the two columns, 400 plus 160. Okay, likewise you take down the summation for all combinations. Okay, and what you observe from last column? See, in last column the highest figure is 710. So maximum output or maximum revenue is obtained at which combination? Where Y1 quantity is 3 units and Y2 quantity is 7 units. So this is your conclusion obtained at through which method? Tabular method. By using tabular method, you can predict. If you go on taking the production of 3 units of Y1 and 7 units of Y2. At that combination, you can yield maximum revenue in business, farm business. Okay. Now we see, continue with the next point related with graphical method, that is expansion path. And for see this figure, in this figure, production possibility curve. Okay, this curve is intersect through iso revenue line. So what the point at which the production possibility curve intersect to iso revenue line, from that line, okay, from that point, the line is connected, okay, or pass through that line. That particular line is called as expansion path. Okay. Several iso revenue lines are shown, each indicating different level of revenue. Prices are assumed constant and hence the slope of iso revenue line remains the same. All the iso revenue lines are tangent to production possibility curve at different points M and N. See the point M and N. The line connecting the point of optimum combinations of product is called as expansion path. Underline this point. The point of tangency specify the most profitable enterprise combination of different production possibility curves with the price indicated by iso revenue line. Okay, so whatever the price that is indicated by iso revenue line, and whatever the output, okay, it represented by production possibility curve, and that tangency point and the line connecting to the tangency point is called as expansion path. So these are very important concepts you have to know for graphical method in product-product relationship. Now we see ridge line or border line. Now see, this is the figure. Okay, in this figure, production possibility curve is also given, and one line is draw from point of origin. So line OA intersect the each production possibility curve where production possibility curve is horizontal. Line OB intersect each production possibility curve where it is vertical. Okay, see the horizontal and vertical point. The portion of production possibility curve falling within the ridge line have negative slope indicating competitive relationship between two products. Portion of production possibility curve outside the ridge line have positive slope indicating which relationship? Complementary relationship between two products. Okay. And on the ridge line, see MRS is exactly 0. Therefore, ridge lines are used to separate the range of product competition from range of product complementarity. Okay, so complementary and supplementary and competitive relationship you can separate with the help of these border lines or ridge lines in product-product relationship. So this is the important point you understand for calculation or drawing the optimum product combination with the help of 3 methods. Okay, thank you.